In the serene countryside, there lived a pig named George. Unbeknownst to his fellow farm animals, George harbored a secret. He possessed extraordinary powers. With a swift snout and a mighty oink, he could leap over fences and soar through the skies. As the years passed, the world outside the farm grew troubled. Natural disasters escalated, and humanity teetered on the brink of oblivion. It was whispered that the end of time was nigh. When the chaos reached a crescendo, George could no longer stay hidden. With his cape fluttering behind him, he emerged as a beacon of hope. He dashed across the landscape, rescuing stranded travelers and shielding villages from destruction. But as the world spiraled closer to its demise, George knew he had to confront the source of the catastrophe. With determination burning in his eyes, he ventured to the heart of the chaos, a swirling vortex threatening to unravel reality itself. With a mighty grunt, George plunged into the maelstrom. His powers surged, pushing back against the forces of destruction. In a blinding flash, he triumphed, restoring order to the world. Humanity rejoiced, hailing George as their savior. Though he returned to his farm, his heroism was never forgotten. And as the years passed, whenever darkness loomed, the legend of the pig named George inspired hope in the hearts of all.